Listen to me. If you are approaching retirement, or if you are already there, you need to stop doing what you've always done just because it's comfortable. The financial landscape has shifted beneath your feet, and the traditional brick-and-mortar banks you have trusted for 40 years are quietly picking your pockets with monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, and out-of-network ATM charges. You are on a fixed income now, or you are about to be. Every single dollar matters. Every fee you pay is money stolen from your peace of mind. I know what you are thinking. You are looking at these new online financial platforms like Chime, and you are terrified. You are asking yourself, Susie, is it safe? Where's the brick building? What happens if the computer crashes? How do I even get my money out? You fear losing control. You fear that technology is going to leave you behind, or worse, that you'll make a mistake online and your hard-earned retirement savings will vanish into thin air. I understand that fear, but I want you to stand in your power and realize that fear is just a lack of information. Today, we are going to conquer that fear. I am going to walk you through exactly how to open a Chime account safely, securely, and step by step, so you can keep more of your own money where it belongs, in your pocket. First, let's address the elephant in the room. What is Chime, and is your money safe? Chime is not a bank in the traditional sense. It is a financial technology company. But listen to me closely. The deposits you place into a Chime checking or savings account are held by their partner banks, the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, and they are fully FDIC insured up to $250,000. That means your money is just as protected by the federal government there as it is at Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. The difference? Chime doesn't have the massive overhead of thousands of physical branches, so they don't need to charge you $15 a month just to keep your account open. Now, how do you open this account? You do not need to dress up, drive across town, sit in a cold office, and wait for a banker to look over your application. You can do this right from your kitchen table in less than 5 minutes, either on your desktop computer at chime.com or right on your smartphone by downloading the Chime app. Before you even open the website or download the app, I want you to gather exactly what you need. Do not start this application without having these items right in front of you. You need a valid social security number. This is required by federal law for identity verification to prevent money laundering, so do not be afraid when they ask for it. You need an unexpired government-issued photo ID, such as your U.S. driver's license, a state ID, or your passport, just in case they need you to upload a clear photo to prove you are who you say you are. You must be at least 18 years old, a citizen or legal resident of the United States, and you must have a valid U.S. mobile phone number and a physical residential address recognized by the United States Postal Service. Chime does not allow you to use a P.O. box for your primary address because they need a physical location to verify your identity and to mail your physical debit card. When you are ready, go to chime.com and click the big button that says Sign Up, or open the Chime app and click Apply Now. The very first thing it will ask you for is your legal name and your email address. Type your name exactly as it appears on your social security card and your driver's license. No nicknames. Next, it will ask for your date of birth, your physical residential address, and your mobile phone number. Chime will send a verification text message to your phone, so make sure your cell phone is turned on and next to you. Then comes the step that causes so many people to pause, entering your social security number. Look at me. Chime uses standard encryption to keep your data safe. Here is the beautiful part for retirees or those with a bumpy financial past. Chime does not run a credit check. They do not look at your FICO score, and opening an account will not hurt your credit rating. They use a third-party service just to verify that your identity matches your social security number. As you move through the final screens, you will create a strong, secure password. Do not make it your grandchildren's names or your birth year. Make it secure, write it down on a piece of paper, and put that paper in a safe place. Finally, look over every single piece of information on the screen before you hit Submit. Double-check the spelling of your name, your phone number, and your SSN. A simple typo is the #1 reason applications get denied or delayed because the automated system cannot verify your identity. Once you click Submit, most people are approved instantly. Your account is live right then and there. Chime will immediately issue you a virtual debit card inside the app, which you can use for online shopping right away while your physical, plastic debit card is being printed and mailed to your house. That physical card will arrive in your mailbox within 7 to 10 business days. Now that the account is open, you have to answer the most important question: how do you get your money into it? This is where you take control of your cash flow. If you are receiving Social Security benefits, a pension, or distributions from an IRA or 404(k), your absolute best move is to set up direct deposit. Your actionable takeaway today is to look at your current bank statement. Look at the fees. If you are paying even $5 a month just to have a checking account, I want you to go to chime.com or download the app today. Gather your ID, sit down, and spend 5 minutes opening an account that respects your hard-earned money. You have worked too hard for too many years to let your retirement funds get chipped away by traditional banking greed. Be strong, be secure, and take control of your financial destiny today.